Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device and opening settings. Don't waste time on basics. Begin now. You should verify the device is awake and unlocked, then tap Settings or swipe down for quick settings. If game mode is nested under Additional Settings or Digital Wellbeing, open those sections next. Knowing where it lives speeds the process. Once done, make sure you have any required PIN or admin access, so you can change system-level toggles immediately without interruption. You now locate the precise controls for game mode. Use the search bar in Settings and type Game Mode, Gaming, or Performance. If there's no direct match, check Display, Sound, Notifications, or a dedicated launcher section because manufacturers place it differently. Once you find it, decide whether to turn off a global game mode toggle or disable it per app. Per app settings let you keep enhancements for specific games while turning off system-wide behavior. Make those choices deliberately so you know the scope of change. You finish by flipping the game mode toggle off or removing any per app rules, then apply changes immediately. After switching, close active games and reboot if the device still seems optimized for gameplay. A restart ensures all system services reload without the gaming profile. Once the device returns, launch a game briefly to verify the behavior changed. Look for restored notifications and standard CPU or network management. If settings revert or effects persist, check for vendor utilities or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.